Hey guys, welcome to our channel Explore with My Eyes. So this time we are heading for Pondicherry, and so we just stopped by. It's around we drove around 100 kilometers, and we just stopped by somewhere in between. So see these guys, it's a mango tree, and then so many mangoes. See these guys, look at these mangoes. This is amazing. There are so many mangoes here, and if you see these are full of mangoes. Wow, after so many days I'm seeing this, like mango trees. Look. Hello guys, it's 11:44, so we are about to reach. It's around 30 minutes now to reach Pondi, and 11 kilometers from here. So first we'll go to the Cafe Ecstasy. We'll have our lunch over there, and then we'll check in. So yeah, so we're a bit hungry, so we'll go for the lunch first, and then we'll check into our hotel. We'll be here for 2 days. So the first day we booked Dupleix. It's near to the rock beach of Pondicherry, and the rating was good. So let's see how the hotel is, I'll give a full review of that, and stay with us, stay tuned. We'll go for Cafe Ecstasy. That's really famous for oven pizza. Watch our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hey guys, this is Cafe Ecstasy. We ordered some pizza. So this is the menu item. And this side it's veg. We are in first floor, and these are our open pizza. Hey guys, we are going towards the beach, the rock beach. It's what's the time? 1:37. It's noon. We just had our breakfast with some pizzas. Now we'll check in our hotel. We'll be staying at the Dupleix Hotel today. So before check into the hotel, we thought that we'll go to that beach area. This is the rock beach. This is the road. I think it's low tide, so people are bathing here. We'll check into our hotel. Our today's stay is Dupleix Hotel. We booked a penthouse for Dupleix, and this is one of the best stay as per the review I have seen in Pondicherry. So it's around 2 o'clock, so we'll check in and we'll take some rest, we'll fresh up, and then we'll come back again at evening. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll check in. I'll show you everything from that hotel. So where is looking for tonight? Maybe afternoon.
And can you please put the ID also? And so booking was for only one night.
Yeah.
And so the package for breakfast is included. And timing will start at 7:30 till 9:45. And for the lunch time start at 12:30. And last order will be 2:45. The last order. And for dinner will start at 7 o'clock. And last order will be 10:50. And we do have swimming pool also, that is in promenade. So you can use it there. And timing will start at 8 o'clock. And we do have spots. Timing will be like 11 to 8.
Hello guys, this is our penthouse room for tonight. This is the entry, and left side that's the restroom area and shower area. I think you see it's a huge glass basin area, and that's the bathtub. And this is our main room. It's a work desk, tea complimentary, TV unit, sitting area, that's outside. That's bed. This little oldish but looks good. Look at this ceiling. And this is outside area. That's the seating arrangement here. That's the down hall area. I think that's the restaurant. This is the staircase. We came up from here. Looks good. Looks oldish but heritage type. and that's our room. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's around 4:30 and we just come for some. We're just a little hungry, so we'll go for a cafe. Hey guys, we are at Hope Cafe. So this looks good, nice. I mean, we just have some slides and snacks. This is how it is. This looks good. We'll show you like whatever we have ordered. I'm just waiting for that. Hey guys, this is what we ordered. This is chili French fries, and this is paneer pizza. This is oven cooked French fries, and this is the paneer oven cooked pizza. This is the menu. Good morning from Pondi. This is our Dupleix Hotel. We come for the breakfast now. So this is a la carte, but you can order unlimited here. So you can see that this is the breakfast menu, and this is the breakfast restaurant. They have the same pattern. The ceilings are all same pattern. This side is liquor. Some of the items come for the breakfast. This is the bacons and sauces, chicken sauces, croissant, and cereals and eggs. And this is the next item we ordered. This is aloo paratha and masala dosas. So many mangoes. This is the entrance. This is the outside door. This is the first floor. Hey guys, we'll check out now today. So you have seen our stay. That's the Dupleix penthouse. Yesterday night we have stayed here. The room is good. It's kind of a oldish. The vibe of Pondicherry, which is really good. I mean, which actually reflects this resort. I mean, this hotel. And you have seen the room tour. Everything is good. And yep. So this particular room, the penthouse, we have paid for 9,288 rupees per night, which included the breakfast. You have seen the breakfast. Breakfast taste is good. Everything is good. It takes a bit of time. That's all. But it's overall stay. It's good. Hospitality is good. The room is neat and clean. We like the stay. It's not like a very good or it's really superb, but we like the stay. Yeah, that's all. These are lobby. This is our corridor area. If you are in Pondi, everything like all hottest places like restaurant and everything is nearby. So definitely, if you are staying in Rock Beach, you can stay here. This property is good. Thank you guys.